How can you fall asleep fast? We all have those nights where we are in bed, staring at the ceiling for hours, but we just can't fall asleep. And it's the worst feeling ever, especially if you have a big day ahead of you. And you know you need to get some rest, but your brain just won't shut off. Well, the good news is, today we talk about the tips and tricks to fall asleep in no time. First things first, let's talk about your sleep environment. Because, believe it or not, that can make a huge difference in how quickly you fall asleep. You wanna make sure your room is nice and dark, because even the tiniest light can disrupt your sleep hormones. This is why I recommend that you get a sleep mask and blackout curtains to block unnecessary light. You also want to make sure that your room is at an comfortable temperature, not too cold and not too hot. Personally, I like to keep my room on the cooler side because there's nothing worse than waking up and having all sweat over your body because it's too hot. Another thing to consider is your bedding. You want to make sure you have a comfortable mattress and pillows that can support your head and neck properly. If you are constantly tossing and turning, trying to find a comfortable position, it might be the time to consider some new bedding. Trust me, it's worth it. Now let's talk about your routine before you go to sleep. Because what you do in the hours before bedtime can have a big impact how fast you fall asleep. First off, let's avoid screens 1 hour before bed. The blue light from your phone or TV can mess with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle and make it harder to fall asleep. Instead, try reading a book. You could listen to some relaxing music or doing some gentle stretching to help your body wind down. Another thing to avoid is caffeine. I know caffeine is popular in the world, but it's very bad for sleeping. It might be hard to resist a cup of coffee after dinner, but caffeine can stay in your system for hours and make it much harder to fall asleep. So try to cut caffeine at least 6 hours before bedtime. And simply choose something that has no caffeine instead. Now let's talk about some relaxation techniques that can help you to fall asleep faster. One of my favorites is deep breathing. It's super simple, but it can be really effective at calming your mind and body. All you have to do is to lie down in a comfortable position and take some slow breaths into your nose and out through your mouth. Simply focus on your breath. Try to let go of any thoughts or worries that are in your mind that can cause anxiety, and just let them go. Another thing that could help you to fall asleep quickly is to stick to a consistent sleep schedule. I know it's tempting to stay up late at the weekends and sleep in, but trust me, your body will thank you if you go to bed at the same time and wake up at the same time every single day. I hope this will help you to fall asleep more quickly, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.